Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2012 Honda Odyssey EXL version. This is a beautiful vehicle, runs great, and it is a very special vehicle because it has wheelchair access. This has had a access set up from Mobility Works in Van Nuys. Vehicle is in great working condition. I have this already open so you can see how it works. So you come up the ramp, you got your anchors all over here. Vehicle is nice and roomy inside. Has the video screen, sunroof, and the special chair over here that is all mobile. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the close button. Retracts the ramp, closes the door, all automatic. Power sliding doors on both sides, power rear liftgate, great tire tread. $108,701 miles, and a lot of life left on this vehicle. You can spend a ton of money getting a vehicle like this, or you can check out the deal that we have online at buyyourride.net.